Hi everybody, I am going to discuss Python programming. Topics is branching and the subtopics is if statement. First of all, what is branching? Branching is the technique of executing a single statement or group of statement after satisfying some condition. So it is the technique of executing certain statement based on some condition. Condition can be one condition or more condition. Condition can be connected with a logical operator, that is and or not. There are different types of branching in Python. If is one of the simple branching in Python programming. So let us consider the if statement in Python. If is a one-way branching. If is a one-way branching in Python programming. If is a one-way branching in Python programming. Why it is called one-way? Because there is only true part, no false part are there. It has one or more condition. It has one or more condition or conditions. Depending on the condition, or conditions, statement or statements within if execute. It has one or more condition or conditions. Depending on the conditions, statements within if execute. There is only true part, no false part statement. Let's consider the flowchart. First of all, there is a condition or conditions part. The condition is true. If it is true, then within statement within if execute. In statement within if execute, these are the statement. That can be one or more statement. When the condition is true, then the statement within if execute. Otherwise, it will not execute anything. It just goes to the out of the if, that is statement X. After the execution of the statement within if, then goes to the remaining part of the program. In this way, if statement execute. So first of all, when the condition is true, if the condition is true, then statement within the if execute. It can be one or more statement. After executing those statement, control flow goes to the out of the if. Control flow goes to the out of the if. If the condition is false, there is no false part, because if is a one-way branching, so there is no false part. It goes to the statement X directly. That is the remaining part of the if. Consider the syntax how if can be written in the Python. Write if, then the condition or condition, then the colon. This is the syntax of Python. Colon, then the colon. After the colon, the statement within the if can be written. This is the if statement. This is the line number. Suppose column number 1, column number 2. You can shift the statement to column number 3 or 4 or any statement. The syntax of if statement. If condition colon, and then within if there is a statement or group of statements. There is no opening bracket and no closing bracket. So this is the syntax of if. And if the condition is true, then it will enter the statement. Otherwise, it will exit from the statement X. Statement X is that is out of if mean this is the same column, and this is within, and this is within if, because this is within the if statement. This column is same column S and S, so this is out of if. There is no bracket in if statement, so we have to write the program body within the statement. Otherwise, it will exit from the statement X. So this is the concept of the syntax of the if statement. Now consider example of if statement in Python. Write a program to write a program to check you are eligible voter or not. Write a program to check you are eligible voter or not. First of all, you have to take the age from the user, then check whether you age is greater than 18, greater than equal to 18, then you are eligible voter. That means age equal to is the variable, integer variable, age equal to int, input. Input is used to take the number from the keyboard, that is input, enter the number, enter your age, enter your age, enter your age. Then after taking the value from the keyboard, age is the variable where the value is to be stored. Now age is the variable which is in memory, that is primary memory. Now you have to check the age is given age is greater than 18 or not. If age greater than equal to 18, print is used to display something in the monitor. Print you are eligible to vote. You are eligible to vote. So you can vote. That is the concept. If age is greater than equal to 80, you can vote. Otherwise, no need to respond anything. So this is a simple program through which we can specify if statement. If the age is greater than equal to 18, then you are eligible to vote. So in this way, if statement is works. We have to take the number from age is a variable or the number to be stored. Input, enter the number, enter the age, enter your age. Then we have to check whether age greater than equal to 18, colon, print you are eligible to vote. You are eligible to vote. Now run the program. Run main. Enter your age. Suppose age is 67, then you are eligible to vote. Suppose age is below 18, then no respond. Then no response because the condition is not satisfied. This is one-way branching. Let us consider another example of nested if. Suppose there are three numbers. A float, enter first number. B, there's input, enter first number. B equal to float, input, enter second number. Then C equal to float, input, enter the third number, enter the third number. After taking three values, then we have to check which one is largest. If A greater than B, within if, this is nested if, A greater than C, then print largest among A, B, C is A. This is known as nested if. You can write one if within another if. Then again we have to write if B greater than A or B greater than C. This is nested, one condition, another condition, B greater than A and B greater than C.
then print largest among ABC is B. And then again we have to check if C greater than A, and within if C greater than B, then the largest among ABC is C. ABC is C. In this way we can calculate largest among three number. This is known as nested if example. Now run the program. Suppose the number is the first number. Suppose number is, find the first number, second number, and third number. Then the largest is 9. 5, 6, and 9. Largest is 9. Similarly, consider the second input, and finally the last output, that is C, is the largest number. So this is an example of if statement in Python programming.